Hi everyone, let's make this amazing hanging dragon for Lunar New Year. This is a great family or class project and it has major wow factor. I started by drawing my dragon head on a piece of cardboard. I cut out my drawing and then painted all of the details. I made two cutouts, one for the left side and one for the right side of the dragon face. For the body pieces, I used red paper plates that had white on the back. I drew my patterns on the white side. I painted my pattern with red, yellow, and orange paint. I also drew pairs of dragon claws on the paper plates. Draw and paint as many pairs as you'd like. I cut them out and they'll be attached later. I drew, cut out, and painted a fiery looking tail out of cardboard. Red pieces of paper were rolled to create the sections of the body between the plates. You'll need as many red rolls as you have plates, plus one extra for the dragon neck. Using an upholstery needle and yarn, I strung together the dragon, alternating between plate and red tube. I attached pairs of the dragon claws to every few plates. I taped the tail to the plate at the very end. This dragon was a second grade class project and each piece was created by a student. These adorable cuties helped me string this dragon together. For the head, I placed small rolls of red paper and cardboard in between the two face pieces. This created a three-dimensional look that matched the rest of the body. And here's the dragon all connected. There is over 20 plates on this dragon. Whoa, this dragon's got some great moves. In order to easily hang the dragon, just tie loops of string along different parts of the dragon. The little helpers are holding up the loops of string here. Here's the dragon all hung up as if he's flying through the air. This dragon was created by 4th graders. Here's the 2nd grade dragon. As you can see, each dragon is unique, but equally fabulous. The dragon even looks great from the back side. Here's the 4th grade dragon again. It was moved out into the hallway so that it would have more space to fly. I hope you enjoyed this video and that you'll create a dragon of your own. Thanks so much for watching and Happy Lunar New Year! Don't forget to subscribe for more fun ideas.